Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then click on the enter message icon and then select the settings right here. And click on languages and types. And here you can manage languages, just click on manage input languages. And as you can see here, you've got the whole list of possible languages, of available languages. And let me choose, for example, this one. Now we can switch English off. And as you can see, let's go back. The keyboard language has been changed. So now you can use your device, write messages in this new language. This is it. And whenever you would like to go back to English or change the language one more time, just open the settings, go to languages and types, manage the input languages and activate English or some other language, whichever you would like to have. As you can see, language is updated and now you're back in English. Okay, so that would be all. That's how you can smoothly and quickly and easily change keyboard language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.